Back pain after 60 is one of the most common reasons people lose confidence in their bodies. It starts subtly. A stiffness when getting out of bed, a dull ache after sitting too long, a hesitation before bending, twisting, or lifting something light. And slowly, movement becomes something you avoid instead of enjoy. But here's the most important thing to understand right away. Back pain in your 60s and beyond is rarely caused by aging alone. It is far more often caused by weak support muscles, poor mobility, loss of stability, fear of movement. And the good news is this: you do not need intense workouts, gym machines, or complicated routines to reduce back pain. In fact, research and clinical experience consistently show that a small number of gentle, targeted movements work better than doing many exercises incorrectly. Today, we're going to talk about the only 3 exercises most people over 60 truly need to support the spine, reduce pain, and restore confidence in movement. These exercises are simple, low impact, joint-friendly, safe when done slowly. They are not about pushing through pain. They're about teaching your body to support your back again. Why back pain becomes more common after 60. The spine is not just bones. It is supported by core muscles, hip muscles, glutes, deep stabilizers. As we age, several things naturally happen. Muscle mass decreases if not used. Joints stiffen. Balance declines. Posture changes. When support muscles weaken, the spine takes on too much load. That's when pain appears. Not because the spine is fragile, but because it is unsupported. Why rest alone doesn't fix back pain. Many people respond to back pain by resting more. Rest can help temporarily, but too much rest causes further muscle weakening, increased stiffness, reduced confidence in movement. The back needs gentle movement to stay healthy. The right movement builds strength. The wrong movement increases pain. That's why choosing the right exercises matters more than doing many exercises. What these 3 exercises do differently. These exercises are designed to support the spine instead of stressing it, activate muscles that protect your back, improve mobility without twisting force, build confidence in daily movement. They work together as a system, not one exercise, not random stretches, but 3 movements that restore balance and stability. Exercise 1. Pelvic tilt, the foundation of back support. This is one of the safest and most effective movements for seniors with back pain. The pelvic tilt gently activates deep core muscles that support the spine. These muscles often switch off with age or inactivity. When they're inactive, the lower back works too hard. Why the pelvic tilt works? It reduces pressure on the lower spine, improves posture awareness, gently strengthens the abdominal muscles, relieves stiffness. This exercise teaches your body how to support your spine from the inside. How it helps daily life. People who practice pelvic tilts often notice easier transitions from sitting to standing, less pain when lying down or getting up, improved posture while walking. This movement restores control, and control reduces pain. Exercise 2. Seated knee to chest, gentle spine mobility. Mobility is just as important as strength. A stiff spine absorbs force poorly. The knee to chest movement gently restores flexibility in the lower back and hips. It can be done seated, making it ideal for seniors. Why this exercise matters? The hips and lower back are closely connected. When hips stiffen, the lower back compensates, pain increases, movement feels restricted. This exercise reduces lower back stiffness, improves circulation, relieves pressure in the spine. No twisting, no strain, just gentle motion. How it helps daily activities. Improved mobility helps with sitting comfortably, walking longer distances, getting dressed, bending safely. Movement becomes smoother and less painful. Exercise 3. Standing hip hinge, the back's best protector. This is the most important exercise of the 3, not because it's difficult, but because it teaches safe movement. Most back pain occurs during daily activities, bending, lifting, reaching. The hip hinge teaches your body to bend without straining the back. Why the hip hinge is critical after 60. Many people bend by rounding their spine. Over time, this stresses spinal joints and discs. The hip hinge shifts load to the hips and legs, protects the spine, builds confidence. This is not a gym exercise, it's a life skill. Why this reduces fear of movement. Fear often increases back pain. When you learn how to move safely, fear decreases. When fear decreases, muscles relax, movement improves, pain often reduces. This exercise restores trust in your body. Why these 3 exercises are enough. Most people don't need dozens of movements. They need core activation, gentle mobility, safe movement patterns. These 3 cover all 3. Doing more can sometimes make pain worse. Doing the right few consistently works better. How often should seniors do these exercises? Consistency matters more than intensity. Most people benefit from gentle daily practice, slow, controlled movement, pain-free range only. These exercises should never increase pain. Discomfort is not progress. Comfortable movement is progress. What these exercises will not do. They will not instantly eliminate all pain, replace medical care, reverse severe structural conditions. What they do is reduce strain, improve support, restore confidence, and that matters enormously after 60. Why back pain improves when confidence improves. Pain is influenced by the nervous system. When movement feels unsafe, pain increases. When movement feels controlled, pain often decreases. These exercises send a powerful signal to the brain. This body is supported. That signal alone can reduce pain intensity. Lifestyle habits that support these exercises. For best results, pair these movements with gentle walking, proper hydration, supportive footwear, good sleep posture. Back health is a daily practice, not a single solution. Final message. Back pain after 60 does not mean your best years of movement are over. It usually means your body needs support, not rest. You do not need intense workouts. You do not need painful stretches. You do not need to push through pain. You need gentle strength, safe mobility, confidence in movement. These 3 exercises provide exactly that. And when the body feels supported, pain often loosens its grip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps more people take control of their health. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.